Hello everyone.
With another video. In this video I'll be sharing with you all how I made chicken chili.
These are the items that are required. Green onions, sliced ginger, sliced green chilies from between, sliced garlic, 2 medium-sized onion which has been chopped this way. I'm using 3 different color medium-sized bell pepper and 2 medium-sized tomatoes. So this is the ingredients that are required for chicken marination. This is the all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 eggs, ginger and garlic paste, then turmeric, coriander cumin powder, red chili powder, and black pepper. The first step is chicken marination, for which in a plain container I'm adding the chicken pieces. I've cut the chicken pieces into bite size, so make sure you clean it well before even cooking it. Then half a cup of all-purpose flour goes in here. Then 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, and some crushed black pepper. I will be adding 2 eggs in here. The egg will be useful for binding the mixture together. I'm using my hands to give it a good mix together. I will be adding half a lemon in the chicken mixture. And give it a good mix together. I will cover it with a cling film. I will leave the chicken marinated for about 2 hours. In a pan, I will be frying the boneless chicken pieces. I have set the oil to medium to high flame. I'm using a fork to put the chicken pieces into the oil. I will be frying the chicken pieces for 7 to 8 minutes on both sides. Turn the chicken pieces and make sure it does not stick with each other. Once the chicken gets golden brown in color, I will be taking it out in a paper towel. You can even enjoy the chicken this way with your friends and family. The second step will be preparing the sauce for the chicken chili. In a wok, I have used 4 tablespoons of oil. I will be adding jeera. I have used half a tablespoon of jeera here. I'm adding the sliced garlic. Stir fry the garlic until it turns brown for 10 to 15 seconds. Then I will be adding green chilies in it. Then I will be adding the ginger in it and stir fry it for about 10 to 15 seconds. I will be adding the chopped onions in here and giving it a good mix. In about 2 minutes, the onion will be soggy, and at this point of time, I will be adding bell peppers into it. Give the bell pepper a good mix with the remaining veggies. I will be covering it with a lid for about 3 minutes. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt in it. I will be giving it a good mix. I am adding tomatoes at the end so that it does not get soggy. I will be giving it a good mix. I will be adding the fried chicken pieces into the wok. Giving it a good mix together. I am adding about a full cup of hot and sweet tomato ketchup. Once the tomato ketchup is added, I will give the mixture a good mix. Then I will be adding about 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Give it a good mix. I will not be adding any extra spices here. I will let the chicken cook with the veggies for about 5 minutes. I will garnish it with green onions. And I will be turning off the flame, and this is how my chicken chili looks like. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below on how it turned out to be. Thanks for watching.